Hello, Chef here. Once again, I've got this beautiful watermelon. This watermelon comes from Georgia, USA. I like to buy grown in the USA. It's better quality and more consistent. They taste better and the sanitation's better. So there's a lot of reasons why. Won't get into all of them right now. Just want to show you this beautiful melon. This one's been in the refrigerator for a couple of days. It's nice. It's got the little hollow sound when you knock. Dark green, nice stripes, yellow spot where it was laying in the field. Always wash off your melons good before you cut them. This one's actually already been cut in half. I've already eaten a big chunk of it. I wanted to share with you these lines and what these are all about. Here's another piece, and you can see this. Some people say, oh, what's that? That's no big deal right there. That just means the melon is getting a little dry and it's ready for more water, and it's a little bit overripe. Could have been picked a while ago, right there, but that's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt you. Little cracking there in the center. This was a very, very sweet watermelon. Trust me, there's nothing wrong with this melon. It's just showing signs of being ripe or overripe, as well as could use a little more water before it was picked. Super sweet. Grown in America, you gotta love it. Please like, share, subscribe to learn more about watermelons. The chefs have done a bunch of different videos. Just search our videos, look around. You're gonna see a lot more stuff. Watermelon knives, how to, all kinds of interesting things where you can learn, pick up some more skills. No matter what level you're at, you can pick up some skills from the chefs. Thank you very much. Click that like button and have a beautiful day. Keep cooking. And that's it. Oh, the finished spinach right here. Spinach and tomatoes. Side dish. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day and keep cooking.